So let us take these two very simple questions in the starting. So you're asked to integrate x log x and x sin x. So now, as you can see, there are two functions which are being multiplied. So obviously we have to use integration by parts. So first let us try to decide the order in which we take the first function and the second function. So x is an algebraic function, log x is a logarithmic function. So let me write my rule ILATE. So as you can see, in ILATE, L comes first and A comes next. Here A is coming first and L is coming next. So what we do is we interchange the functions before using the by parts formula. So this is integration of log x times x dx. Log x times x dx. So this is my u, this is my v. So now what is the formula? Integration of uv is u integral v minus integral of u dash integral v, right? So I'll use this formula here. So u is log x times integration of v. Integration of v is x square by 2. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of u dash, the differentiation of log x, is 1 by x into the integration of the second function, x square by 2 dx. That is equal to x square log x by 2 minus this x and this x gets cancelled. So integration of x by 2, that is 1 by 2 times integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. That is equal to x square log x by 2 minus x square by 4 plus c. So this will be the integration of this function. So looking simple, right? So the first step is identification of the order. So first what you do is you write the nature of the functions. So see whether the order of letters is same as the order in ILATE. If yes, then continue, apply the formula. If no, reverse the order and then apply the formula. So here in integration of x sin x. So this is algebraic function, this is trigonometric function. Again, in ILATE, a comes before t. Here a is coming before t. So the order is okay. There is no problem with the order here. As you can see, a comes before t. Here also a comes before t. So I can directly start my integration. So this is equal to u integral v x into integration of sin x dx, u integral v minus integration of du by dx. Differentiation of x is 1 into integration of sin x dx whole dx. That is equal to x into integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration of sin x is minus cos x. So this becomes plus cos x dx, that is equal to minus x cos x. Integration of cos x is plus sin x plus c is the answer. So this is the integration of x sin x. So here the order in which the question is given corresponds to the order of ILATE. So I don't need to change the order and directly apply the process.